Hello friends, we will move on to the third topic, third activity in the 7th unit. Before getting into the topic, I would like to ask you a small question. Do you think that the nose has a role to play in enhancing the taste of the food? Or else your perception, that the perception is opinion about the food, is just formed by the tongue. In other words, I can ask you as, does nose and tongue has a role in forming a opinion about the food, or the opinion is formed just by the taste which is being recognized by the tongue? So friends, the answer to the question is, there is a close relationship between the nose as well as the tongue in having an opinion about the food or to have a good perception about the food. You might have observed that when you get a fever, generally fever along with the cold, generally your nose would be blocked, so you won't be able to smell the food properly. In such a situation, you might not be having the same taste which you had before fever, right? Even your mother might have done your favorite food product, your favorite food substance, but you won't have the same taste because the olfactory receptors of the nose won't working in such situation. So friends, observe this diagram. This diagram tells you about everything about how the brain recognizing the taste sense. Okay, fine. The tongue, which have the taste buds in it, will generally help in recognizing the taste. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. The mouth, which have salivary glands, will produce the saliva, right? Saliva, hope you all know about the saliva. We have been studying about the saliva in all the units, I guess so. So saliva is the liquid which is being produced in the mouth. Moving on to the next one, nose. Nose will have the olfactory receptors. Olfactory receptors are present on the wet lining which is being present in the nose. Generally you can observe that there is always wetness in the nose. So the olfactory receptors which are present there will smell the chemical substances which are being observed in any kind of a food material. So with the help of the olfactory receptors, the nose will smell different kinds of products and the signal would be sent to the brain with the help of the olfactory receptors. You can observe in the diagram all these